Alright, so I'll be starting making Ghosts and Goblins in Unity. So right here, these are all the assets that I'm going to use, all the maps, the Arthur sprites, the enemy sprites, and these are the packages that I'm going to use for now. I don't know if I need more, but for now this is what I'm going to use. I'm not going to use this Linux. Let's remove this. Uh, but yeah, I'll be using the new input system uh, timeline to the animation for the when Arthur doesn't have the armor. Okay, and I also already uh, where's the oh, I added the warning as error right here. That's with the Unity file right here. It's warning as error, and I also added the root namespace as game. Okay, so yeah, this is the empty scene. So let's start by reorganizing these assets. So let's create the project folder underscore project. Here, I'll be adding the, the entities folder, entities, also the maps. Let's move all the maps to the maps folder. And the Arthur and enemies, let's move to the entities folder. And this is the font, the sound link. I'm not going to uh, add any sounds for now, so I just added the link where the site contains all the game sounds. Okay, so here entities, I'll be adding the player, here enemies, player, let's add art, and for now the player is also with the weapons. So we need to move that to another sprite sheet, but for now let's just use um, right here. Okay. Let's move this. I guess I also will be actually moving this to another sprite sheet because I'll be working with the weapons. Or no, I don't know. Uh, I guess we don't need to move. There's UI stuff right here. Uh, I will just leave like that because it's all related to the player. So yeah, Arthur, Arthur spreadsheet. Let's just move to the player sprite sheet. Okay. So now let's add the sprite mode to the multiple. Let's remove the point no filter, and let's just slice this. Okay. And if we just add the Arthur to the scene, you can see that it's kind of low quality. That's because we need to remove the compression. None. Okay, now it's good. I guess the maximum that we need is let's 1048, and yeah, I guess that's good. Let's also change the pixels per unity, 28, I guess. 16. Okay, guess that's good. Now let's add the map right here. And let's also remove the filter, remove the compression, and let's scale this 16, I guess. No, 28. Oh, wait, the image is terrible. Why is that? Oh, I guess it's because we need to change the max size. Okay. Let's put this value. Okay. And I guess now if we put 16 again, not at all. Guess we can just change the scale. Okay. Guess that's good. Okay. Uh, Here's the player sprite. Let me see something. Let's put the 24 and let's close this. Oh no, I guess 20. Yeah, I guess that's better. Oh wait. Yeah, I guess that's good for the player. So let's move the. I guess I'll be moving the camera to the all the way down right here. Let's also put the black background color and add right here. Okay. For the position, 0, it's okay. The same thing to the player, but will be actually yeah. Okay, that's good for the position. Now I guess we need to. Oh, we need to add the player animations. All right, so here's the final result. For now from the Arthur sprites. So let's press play, and as you can see, we got the standing idle, player running, jumping idle, moving jump, uh, standing attack, crouched, crouched idle, and crouched attack. And we can also change the Arthur without armor by simply changing the sprite library right here. So we don't need to change the animator, don't need to change the animations, just the sprite library. So let's press the player running, idle, idle jump, moving jump, standing attack, crouched animation, and attack. Okay, so I guess that's what we need for now. Um, and for the next part, I guess I'll be uh, initializing the player state machine, moving the player, and also make making jump, and add the state machine parameters. I guess via scriptable objects. But that's for the next part, and I'll see you there.